Okay, so जो मेरा लास्ट डे था गुड़गांव में, आई वेंट अगेन टू जनपद, क्योंकि मुझे वो एक फोमो हो रहा था कि आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई विल बी बैक अगेन, एंड आई रियली वांटेड सम मोर ज्वेलरी बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम जब मैं गई थी तो बहुत गर्मी थी एक्चुअली, एंड इट वॉज माई वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर द मार्केट, और मैंने ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया था वहाँ पे, बट नवरात्रि शुरू होने वाले थे तो बहुत मतलब क्राउड भी था वहाँ पर, तो आई रियली डिडंट शॉप दैट मच, बट मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं दोबारा जाऊँगी तो आई कैन गेट सम मोर स्टफ फ्रॉम देयर, तो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ fear of missing out, I went again and I got a couple of things. जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ मुझे चाहिए थी वहाँ पर, they were selling these जयपुरी स्टाइल किट्स, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वो जो एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड किट्स होती हैं, पैक ऑफ 3, they were selling it there for around 350, which I really wanted, but उस टाइम पर there was this thing in my mind, need versus want. So उस time पर I was like, it's not a need, so I don't really need it. But as I said, जब मेरा last day था उससे एक दिन पहले मैं गई थी जनपद, and I was packing and I got to know and I realized actually कि मेरे पास कुछ ऐसा kits होना चाहिए to put things inside, and that's when I thought that what, now it's a need, now I should go and get those Jaipuri kits from Janpad. So I went and I got these beautiful set of 3. This is blue color, the contrast purple zipper. I got these 3 for 350 rupees. But मैंने थोड़ी सी गलती कर दी, जल्दबाजी में मैंने वो जो तिब्बतन लेन है वहाँ पर एक शॉप थी, वहाँ से ले लिया, बट अगर आप गुजराती लेन में एंटर करोगे तो एंटर करते ही लेफ्ट साइड में 2-3 शॉप्स हैं, दे आर सेलिंग मच मोर वेराइटी एंड दे वर गिविंग इट फॉर 300 rupees. So I did feel a little bad, not because of the price, क्योंकि 50 rupees was not that big of a difference, but because of the color options and there were बहुत अच्छे prints थे, कि जिस शॉप से मैंने ये लिया वहाँ पर इतनी वेराइटी नहीं थी, but these were the ones that I really liked, तो मैंने ये ले लिया। पता नहीं क्यों मैंने सोचा नहीं कि मुझे आगे मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, so I just got these 3. But अगर आप जा रहे हो so please make sure that you don't just buy it from the first shop you see and you go and explore, आपको मिल जाएंगे आगे। But this is the first purchase that I got, and then I got वो जो कपड़े वाली लाइन है जनपद में, I got this one beautiful kurti from there. It's like a short kurti. Let me show you. It's rust color. This is the blouse. This is how it looks, and this is the sleeve. And also, this is how it looks. मतलब it's not symmetrical. It's like a butterfly, cut. So I really liked this. और ये single piece था. He said 750, but bargaining करने के बाद भी he agreed on I think 500 rupees. So I paid 500 for this one. But I really liked the color and also the style of this kurti. So this is one thing that I got from the market. And then last time जब मैं गई थी तो मैं 2 कुर्ती लेकर आई थी वहाँ से, and I really loved the style, और वो कॉटन की कुर्ती थी तो it really looked good, and because festive season आ रहा है तो I was like okay maybe I should get more, और वहाँ पर अलग prints भी थे. So last time I got same print 2 color में, blue and this rust, or you can say like yellowish, but this time I got 2 different colors. One is this black one that I really liked. This beautiful like flower prints on it. इसमें different is only the back thing. It has small like lace design at the back to tighten it up, But yeah, this is one of the kurtis that I got, and the price was same. They were giving it for 500 for two, so I got two of those. The other color is this one. It has the same sleeve and this in the back. So I got this and this. And then of course jewelry तो मुझे लेनी ही थी और but I didn't want those bangles anymore क्योंकि मैंने actually बहुत सारे bangles ले लिए already, those wooden bangles and all. But मैं एक shop पर गई थी and I purchased most of the jewelry from that shop, and I got two bangles from there, but not the wooden ones. These are different bangles that I got. These are silver. I loved the design on it. I got these two for, तो एक्चुअली तीन का सेट था, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी मतलब बना कर रखा था, बट द थर्ड बैंगल आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट दैट मच एंड ऑल्सो इट वॉज नॉट लाइक, वो मुझे फिट नहीं हो रही थी. So I asked him if I can just get these two. He said, yeah, sure you can. And the three were for 250 and I paid I think 150 for these two. Yeah. Then I got lots of actually earrings. I don't know, I just went mad. And I got one bracelet also, by the way. But let me start with the rings that I got. I got two rings from two different shops. Again, पहली शॉप पर जाकर मुझे वो पसंद आ गया. So whatever he said, मैंने थोड़ा सा negotiate किया and then I paid like 100 rupees for the ring. But आगे वाली शॉप पर जब मैं गई, I got a bigger size in that ring and a different design, and it was only for 50 rupees. बुरा तो मुझे बहुत लगा, but couldn't help it. So this is the first ring that I got. This one he said 150, but I think some discount वगैरह करने के बाद I think 100 rupees का लगा था. And this is the second one. Two chunky rings that I got. I really like these. Very festive. I just loved the design, and I know कि ये मुझे दिल्ली के अलावा कहीं पे मिलेगी नहीं. I mean, you can buy it online. Instagram पे you have a lot of pages these days, but you won't get it less than 500 rupees if you're buying it online. So I got these two, and then I got one bracelet from the same shop. I'll tell you which one was it. I don't remember the name, but वो starting Tibetan Lane के starting में वो एक shop है. I got it from there. It's a beautiful silver bracelet. This is how it looks. उन्होंने बोला था I think 200 rupees for the bracelet or 250, I'm not sure, but I asked him to give it for like 150 rupees and he agreed. But the good thing is मैंने आगे बहुत सारी shops में ये ढूंढा और मुझे कहीं पर मिला नहीं. So I think कुछ तो मेरा नुकसान होने से बच गई मैं. But other than that, I got two earrings from that shop. And again, वो मुझे आगे किसी शॉप पर नहीं मिले, and the quality is really good. And let me show you actually. This is the first pair that I got. Again, both were like for, he said 100 rupees, 100 each, yeah. But then थोड़ा सा bargain तो उन्होंने कर लिया था. It was not like fixed price or something. He was okay in bargaining. This is only for 50 rupees. Then from a different shop I got this one, 100 rupees. But this is so pretty. And this one is for 100 rupees. But yeah, the last earring that I got is also for 50 rupees, and it's from the same stall जहाँ पर वो silver jewelry दे रहे थे for 50 rupees. But these were the ones. They're so pretty. On that note, this is the end of my Janpat haul. I really hope that you like the collection, and if you have any questions about the shop or anything, feel free to ask. It's not that I'm an expert in Janpat, but I can help you as much as I can. And yeah, on that note, let's end this video. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, stay safe, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye.